Article 255, Requirements as to recommendations and previous sanctions. Article 255 of the Indian Constitution relates to the constitutional requirement of recommendations and previous sanctions for the introduction or consideration of certain bills. In many cases, the Constitution requires the prior recommendation of the President or the Governor, such as in money-related bills or bills affecting state powers. If a law requires recommendation or sanction, President-Governor. It provides that no law shall be invalid merely because the required recommendation or previous sanction was not obtained, if the bill has been duly passed by the legislature and received the assent of the President or the Governor. Thus, Article 255 acts as a curative provision, safeguarding the validity of legislation and promoting stability in the legal system. Article 255 is a procedural safeguard that prevents laws from failing due to technical defects.